So I have a box that I've received. It's been sitting for a week because I haven't had a chance to unbox. So here's an unboxing. Yay! Yay, 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 yay. Oh, I probably need to pull out my camera some. Oh well, life goes on. Let me grab my knife. And sorry if the cat gets in the way. His name is Comp. So I have a maker, and I'm gonna do some really big vinyl, some 4-foot signs for somebody. So I got the smart vinyl, and oh, my cat's in the way, sorry. Oh good, we're still recording. Whew. So I got smart vinyl and the roll holder for the big signs. It's a 4-foot circular sign, so it will actually be about 12 feet of vinyl that will be used because I have to do it in 12-inch strips. 12-inch strips, and 3 of them make 12 feet. That's the roll holder. And I got some white permanent vinyl, smart vinyl. I don't know why. Maybe it was because I needed to add it into my box, or maybe for shipping. I don't know what I was thinking. Free shipping, yeah. And then a self-healing mat. I actually have one on my desk already. Ooh, that's so pretty. But I wanted the purple geometric designs. So there you go. And also the new card mat. I wanted to try doing 4 cards at a time, and I wanted to see about that. So I'll add it to my mats. And I will leave this self-healing mat. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I didn't need it at all. I actually felt bad about purchasing these 2 things because the card mat I don't need. I mean, my maker, I can fold and score and everything without the card mat. I've been thinking about it since it was released. And then I just bought it on a whim. And then the self-healing mat, again, I don't need it all. I feel bad when I buy things. That's kind of funny. Anyways, yes, I try not to buy things. So I ended up with a couple extra supplies. Oh well, we'll see how it goes. Bye.